This is an unforgettable trip to the Taal Volcano in the Philippines. This is not far from Manila. We will take a boat across the Taal Lake and hike to the top of Volcano Island to look at another lake inside that crater. From the Tagaytay ridge, you have this majestic view overlooking the Taal Volcano. In order to catch the boat to Volcano Island, we have to get up early and take the tricycle from Tagaytay down to Talisay, right on the shore of the Taal Lake. The Volcano Island was shaped in a large eruption in 1911. We walk from the village at the bottom of the volcano straight up to the main crater and pass the 14 stations of the cross, realizing the sacrifice of Jesus Christ on the cross. Many Catholic believers come this way during Holy Week. We had a great tour guide who took us by boat to the Volcano Island and then hiked all the way to the top of the main crater with us. According to him, the black strata that you see in the ground here is the result of a volcanic eruption in the 1960s. The trail to the top of the volcano is very dusty and there is almost no shade. You're out in the sun, so prepare for heat and protect your skin. Bring plenty of water or stop at the many stalls operated by locals selling food and drink. The hike is rewarded by excellent views on the surrounding volcanic area. After a wonderful hike, we're coming home and we take the boat back to Tagaytay. Our day comes to a close at the Sky Ranch in Tagaytay. From up here, you can look down on the majestic Volcano Island, a beautiful place but still an active volcano which can turn violent. Maybe you want to try this drop tower or take some of the other rides at the Sky Ranch in Tagaytay. Please check out my channel for other hikes or places. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.